Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look really weird because I've got like a full face on and no eye makeup on, because I'm going to be trying out the Beauty Bay palette this way around, and I'm so excited. You literally have no idea how excited I am. Oh my god, that high-pitched voice made my eyes water. Does anyone else do that when they make a really high-pitched voice, their eyes water? Okay. So, I literally got this last week and I was so excited to try it. I haven't even opened it up yet. I just took it out the box and left it like this. So, it's got two lots of... It's in a bag, in a bag. So, if we take it out. So, I got the Evolve palette and it comes with stickers. Holographic stickers. That's cool. So, this is the Evolve. I'm so excited. I have no idea. Like, I've been waiting for this palette to come out for literally ages. Well, no, I haven't been waiting for it to come out. It came out, and I went to order it on like the day it came out, and it was out of stock when I went to order it. And I've been literally waiting for a month for this to come back in stock. And then I got it, and then I had to wait. I've waited a week to film this video to use it, so I'm really excited to use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly jazz up my palette with these stickers because they look so cute. Okay, that'll do. How cute. Okay, so I got the Evolve palette. This is what the Evolve palette looks like. I got this palette because like it was really hard for me to decide what palette I wanted, but I got this one because I feel like it's very like autumnal and it's perfect for this time of the year, and I love this blues. So okay, the one thing I will say, it's come a bit broken. How am I going to show you this? So just as I opened it just then, like this came apart. Look. But as I opened it, that came apart from there. So that's a bit shady. That was such a loud sound! I just ripped that thing off the mirror. Okay, I might have to get some glue to stick that back down because it's just like flapping open and it's really annoying me. What? Okay. So, look how big these are. I didn't expect these to be so big. Like on camera and watching everyone else's videos, these look like your average sized eyeshadows, but in person they're actually quite big. Like, look at the size of my finger compared to the square. They're really big squares. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what one I'm going to go for. I really, really like this one, and this colour is like, it's like iridescent. It's like, it looks grey, but then you put it up and it looks like purpley. Iridescent. How pretty! Oh my god. And then I like this pink colour. Ooh. Pinky gold. I don't like this row, the one with the black on it, because I'm just not a fan of like yellow gold or anything like that. I love this one, these two, the first three. Yeah, the only row I don't like is this row with the yellow gold, because I don't like yellow gold. I don't know what one to go for. What row should I put on my... I'm thinking to put that row on my eye, because I feel like I know it's autumn and everything, but everybody tries the autumn colours out of this palette because it's autumn. So I might try the blue colour out of this colour. The blue colour out of this colour. The blue line out of this palette. Oh my gosh. The base colour is really dark. I'm going to go with number 7. Row 7 is the blue row. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm super excited. Okay, so the base colour is quite like a dark nudie base colour. And it's got some shimmer in it. This first one, it's got a little bit of shimmer in it. So this is going to be really difficult. So I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Actually, let me zoom you in. Oh, I've got all really... Hi. Okay, so I'm going to put that base colour all over my lid, and no, I'm just trying to find a good setup here so I can still use my mirrors. Okay, yeah, so we're going to put that base colour all over my lid. That is a very, very orangey base colour. Okay, that just sort of went more on my crease than anything. I don't know if I like that base colour, but I'm just going to do it anyway. I'm going to use a very light touch just to blend that all over. There you go, that went on a little bit better. Okay, next we have the transition colour, which is this colour right here. It's a very cool toned brown, and I'm just going to use my Morphe M505 brush, which is the pointed blender brush, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. This is my transition colour. I'm following the instructions. I feel like this palette is really, really good for beginners because you literally just have to follow the instructions. Just follow each row down. Now I am trying out a foundation again this week while doing this makeup, and it didn't like my eyes. Again, I feel like no foundation likes my eyes, so I don't know how well this is going to blend. It might not blend well because of the foundation, not the actual eyeshadow. But I'll try my best. This is a very cool toned. It goes quite nicely with the base, I guess. So I'm going to switch out and take the JH30 brush. Woo! And just wipe it clean and just help blend everything out. Again, it always goes funny there because my eye wrinkles. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. So now we're going to go with the crease colour, which is just this one here. So it's a, do you see what I mean? Like, you can see those of like fallout in the pan, but there's not any fallout on my face. But anyway, we're going to go with this colour here. It's like slightly darker, and this is the crease colour, so just going in our crease again. And I'm going to try and blend this like more like outer corner, outer V and crease sort of thing, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So try it with the Morphe M433 brush and see if I can use this. James Charles loves this brush, but I just personally, like, I feel like I can't get on with it. But this palette is so big as well, it's in my arm space. But I want to blend it. Taking the pointed blender brush again. Okay, tight brush. And back to the 433 brush. So at the moment it's just like a very browny, cool toned colour. Let's blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to take the liner colour, which is the blue colour. So a lot of people are actually using this to line their eyes with, but following Soph Does Nails, obviously she's partnered with Revolution, following her video on it, she puts it on her lower lash line, which is what I originally thought your liner colour should be for the lower lash line, just to do something different. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put it on my lower lash line because I feel like that's what everyone else is doing. I know like a lot of people are doing it to line the upper lines, but following the actual Revolution team, they've been putting it on their lower lash line, so I'm going to follow what they do and put it on my lower lash line. But I'm just going to sort of put it on the outer corner and like blend it out. Like I don't want to do it right up in, if that makes sense. Whoa. I'm just going to like pull it up a bit. That is pigmented. Wow. It's a lot darker on the eye than it actually is in the pan, I find. I'm going to get a little bit and just sort of like, I don't know, just join it and sort of create like a tiny little wing with it. Because I really like the colour. like so, just so it's like a little bit swoopy on the end. Obviously this is quite a thick brush, it's not going to be like pointed. But there, just so it's like on the corner. Okay, so now we're going to go in with, I'm so excited for this colour. So this is the pop colour, so the colour we want to put on top of our lid. So I'm going to cut my crease to this because I really want this colour to pop. Okay, so cut my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the pop colour and put that on my lid. I'm so excited. It looks really cool on the brush. Are you ready? Wow. Oh my god. Wow. This colour has a lot of fallout. Ah! It's on my eye. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the crease colour and build it up just a bit more on the outer corner. Oh, this colour's so pretty. Wow, it goes everywhere, like the shimmers are everywhere. Looks like I just put loads of shimmer colours on my eyes and haven't used any mattes. Blending in with my crease, instead of just staying put, it's like not... It's just blended all the way up to my eyebrow, that colour now. It's like everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to use the pop colour, which is... looks like a silvery colour, and I'm just going to put it in my inner corner. Highlight colour, sorry, that's the highlight colour. I'm just trying to like build it up. That glitter's gone everywhere. Like it's all, it looks like I've just done loads of metallics on my eyes. So I'm just trying to build up the brown a bit. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put liner on, mascara on, lashes on, and then I'll come back with the finished product. Okay. So I'm trying to take my hair out. Okay, so I'm back. I've got lashes on. I really do like this palette. Like that glitter colour literally went freaking everywhere. It's all up on my lid. But that glitter colour is absolutely gorgeous. This eyeshadow is really dark. I was expecting it to be a bit more bright, if I'm honest. But it's really, really dark. I don't usually wear dark colours, like this dark colours on my eyes, so it's different for me, but I do like it. I need to try out the other lines in the palette, but I do like it, so here's a shot of it. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow looks like in natural lighting. You can really see the colour a lot more. My hair's like a little bit of a mess at the moment, but as you can see, my eyes look really dark. Like I feel like I look really dark and like mysterious right now. I think I'll have to try the lighter colours and see if I like it. I do like the palette, don't get me wrong, I love the palette, but that glitter colour literally went everywhere. Even though I did the cut crease and packed it onto the concealer, as soon as I started trying to blend like the brown in the crease, it just went everywhere and started blending in with the crease colours and the transition colours, and it's gone like all up my eye. So that's one thing I don't like about it, and it's very loose glitter eyeshadow, which is why I think it like literally went everywhere. But I do like the eyeshadow. It's just not like me, like it's very, very dark eyeshadow. I was expecting that colour, that pop colour, to be a bit more like pop instead of so dark. And yeah, it seems very, very dark, but I do like the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna have to try another row. I'm gonna try my favourite row, which is more light colours, and see if I like it. But I do like it. I think it's really good. Everything blends really easily. I really like the concept of it literally telling you what each colour is for, so it's really nice and easy for you. And obviously you don't have to stick to those colours. You can use whatever colours you want in the palette, but it does make it a little bit easier for beginners and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. That was difficult to get out. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!